Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is a haul vlog. A few outfits which I picked recently. Some are casual fits, one or two dresses. So let's check this out and I will try this on for you and let's see how do they fit on me. Okay, Valentine's Day is coming up, so I thought, why don't I give this dress a try? And this is just wow! I did not expected it to be so good. The fit, the color, everything about the dress is so good. It has a kind of flowy gown fit. I am showing you the whole fit. Just wait for a moment. I am showing you the texture here on the clothes, the neckline, the fit, the quality. I love everything about this dress. I am showing you the whole fit. Full length gown and I just love the length, material and the quality of the dress. It is giving me a kind of princess vibe. So it has lining inside and I love these stitches here, and it is also perfect for vacations. This fit is quite cool for summer or airport fit, or if you want to just go to a grocery store or use it as a gym cover up. So it is a kind of multi-purpose fit. Here comes the oversized fit t-shirt. The print is so cool, just see, and the fabric is so comfy. I'm telling you, this is perfect for summer is almost here, and after 1 month we will need this kind of fabric. If you are a fan of full length jogger, then this is for you. The length touches the floor, and when you wear a pair of sneakers, it will be perfect fit for you. How can you go wrong with a oversized fit top, I mean a oversized fit t-shirt and a loose fit jogger? It's fun, it's comfy, it's cool, and what not. This one is for my girlies who doesn't want to go overboard with fashion but still want to look put together. It's a v-neck t-shirt and it is a fitted t-shirt, so it goes with any kind of bottom. So you can think about jeans, jogger, shorts or flare pants. How can I forget about the texture? It is so stretchable, comfortable, fits perfectly here on the neckline, and the sleeve length is perfect. I can layer it up with sweatshirt, any oversized shirt or anything else I want to, any jacket or anything for winter. And I'm just showing you the neckline behind so you can get a perfect view of the whole thing. Okay, I'm showing you what I am wearing bottom with this one. Just wait for a moment. See how the fit is giving kind of a snatched look here, and the bottom is giving, of course, the color combination of the bottom and the top is so good here and so classy, perfect, and you can never go wrong with beige and black combo. And you can adjust the waistline here, and the fabric is a bit stretchable. I am talking about the bottom fabric. So here is a bit fit check from the back, from the front. Now I am going to show you the full length of the whole fit. See how the bottom length is so apt, is not touching the floor. So if you are not comfortable with the very long lengths of bottom, this is perfect for you. Also it is very comfortable to move with it, so I can wear traveling and for a long day, and I can also wear it to the gym if I am hitting upper body. The bottom is not restricting my movement. I can see it is quite stretchable, comfortable to wear, might be also squat proof. I will have to check. I'm quite astonished to see the bottom is squat proof. So if you want to hit mild leg workout with this bottom, I think you can. I don't know, it is a kind of multi-purpose bottom, what I feel like. Okay, now I am wearing the same bottom. I just changed the top. See how the top looks like with the bottom. So how it proves the versatility of the bottom also. It has a kind of not much deep but yet deep neckline, and the neckline has lace work. You see here also a cute bow. And for summer, if you are wearing the top only, it gives a kind of luxury look on you. You can always cover up with any shirt or any jacket or any kind of shrug if you are not comfortable with this kind of neckline or straps. I recommend, if you are comfortable wearing this kind of straps or neckline, wear it as it is. It gives a luxe look. And just see how it is giving a snatched fit just like the previous one. And I find this top very comfortable to wear. The fabric is very soft, and it is stretchable material also. I can wear it with other kind of bottoms apart from this one, of course, like any jogger, any wide leg jeans or shorts. I can wear a shirt over it if I want to cover up, or I want to protect my skin from the sun, or it is just the vibe. I am also showing you that one, but before that I am showing you how stretchable the material is. I am showing you how it is looking with the bottom before I am wearing the shirt over it. Okay, now this shirt feels like, with whole outfit is like Rabne Bana De Jodi combo. I'm telling you why. You just see the shirt is pure cotton and the fabric is so soft and breathable. It has this kind of texture on the fabric, I mean, so it's very breathable and it's cotton. And it is a sleeveless top under, so if I'm feeling uncomfortable or I need to wear something on it, I'm feeling cold or I want to protect my skin from the sun, I can easily wear it as a shrug or a cover up. Also, I can wear the shirt as it is, I mean button it up full, and it looks quite cool. The black top with the light colored bottom helps you to divide your torso from the bottom and makes your legs look longer. And if you are wearing a shirt on it, it elongates the whole thing, so it gives you a shape, or it helps you to build a structure on the whole outfit. I am showing you the whole outfit, how the shirt complements the top and the bottom. Just wait for a moment. Just see how the shirt elongates this area here and gives a structure to the whole outfit. And also I can wear it like this. It looks quite cool. And I can always button it up, which I generally don't want to. This fit is a vibe, I must tell you. It is giving. It's really giving. I just love it so much. It's perfect for airport traveling. You can also wear the whole thing in your workplace, because this shirt gives a modest look. And that's it. You can button up the sleeves of the shirt, which I generally don't do. I leave it open or I roll it up. So now we are done with today's vlog. The haul is over, and tell me which one is your favorite in the comment section. Also, if you want to check the products, you can go to the description. I have linked every product over there, so go check them out if you want to. I will meet you on the next vlog. Till then, stay fit, stay awesome. I love you. Bye.